So the benefits of Shivam Yoga practice are felt not only on the physical level, but also the energetic, the emotional, mental, and intuitional, and also spiritual levels. So it's a very complete and empowering method of yoga. And what's unique about it is that it's traditional yoga, yet it's non-religious and non-devotional. So it's really open to everybody's belief system and background. We have weekly scheduled classes on YouTube. We also have an introduction course, tutorials on various elements of traditional yoga, and really this gives you an insight into the benefits of this traditional Shivam Yoga practice and how you can apply it to your life. So through this therapeutic method of self-development, Shivam Yoga, then, you're going to be able to have the powers to overcome your kleshas, which are your life's obstacles, and you're going to be able to act more consciously with more self-knowledge and also self-consciousness. In that way, you'll be able to more clearly follow your dharma, and dharma is your life's purpose. The best way to realize these things is through the practice itself. So let's get practicing.